Hello, everyone. I hope you're excited as I am, and welcome to our ultimate ISTQB Advanced Level Test Management V3 Masterclass. Kind-along title, Matching the Length of this Course. As a matter of fact, I believe a long 14-hour ride is awaiting us, so let's not make it 15 because of this introduction. So, in this short intro, I'll try to answer four main areas of concern that any student may think of. How is this course structured? What to expect from this course? What does being a certified test manager mean for you? And finally, how to get the most out of this course content. Let's start with the course structure because that helps everything else make sense. So let me take you on a journey on this course preview page before it even goes live. We can see this course is divided into 11 sections, with each section covering a major subject in test management. For example, Section 1 is all about the test process. Then things spice up a bit in Section 2 when we reach the context of testing section. Fast forward to Section 11, and we're going to encounter stakeholder relationships, which is a very exciting section, by the way. And for those who are curious to check what the content looks like, I kept both Sections 1 and 11 open for free preview. So you can see for yourself how things began and how things ended. Awesome. Now, let's pick a random section, say Section 5. Improving the test process. So you can see that every section starts with an introductory lecture. The purpose of these introductions is to give you a quick overview of what we're going to cover in each section. This way, when you get to the core, you get this feeling of, I heard this before, and things are very easy to understand and digest. Now, after the introductory lecture, we will dive into a set of rich lectures explaining every aspect of test management. Not only that, but I'll be giving you a ton of examples and real-world instances to make the information relevant to practice. And by the way, I've included a mini summary of what every lecture includes, so make sure to check that as well. Anyway, when we wrap up each section, I will go with you on another deep dive, but this time we're gonna encounter the official ISTQB exam sample questions with a thoughtful understanding of the purpose of the question and a thorough explanation of the reasons behind our choices. I would say a very nice preparation for the certificate exam, plus it helps solidify what we've learned in each section. Now, if you look at the right side, you can see more than 50 downloadable resources. These are the PDF files for the presentations of this course. So feel free to download them, organize them in a folder on your computer or tablet, and use them in your study and revision. All right, I think that's enough talking about the course structure, and let's see what students can expect from this course. Here's my promise. I assure you a thorough explanation of every aspect of test management, with a thorough and organized presentation of information accompanied by clear voice. Plus, we will take care of the certificate preparation when we combine that comprehensive explanation with the exam sample discussions. In short, expect a quality learning experience that will not only make you ready to become a certified test manager, but also become a knowledgeable and thoughtful leader ready to rise as a superstar in the realm of software industry. So, if you are a software tester hunting for a test manager position, or you are already a test manager who wants to take their management skills to the next level, you are definitely in the right place. Even development stakeholders like Scrum Masters, product owners, project managers, and even developers can benefit from this course, as it helps them correlate what they're doing with the essence of quality and the test process. Next, let's quickly understand what the deal is with the ISTQB Test Management Certificate. In my opinion, you can see the certificate as your formal recognition to understand the vocabulary, the models, the decision points, and the responsibilities that come by default with the title of test manager. In plain terms, it tells employers and colleagues that you have studied the right body of knowledge and that you can talk the language of test management with confidence. And that matters a lot in the realm of business. Excellent. Let's now see how to get the most out of this course. I would suggest that you first use the lectures as your guide and the sample questions as practice. Read the scenarios carefully and ask yourself not only which answer is correct, but why the distractors are wrong. Apply every concept we cover in lectures to at least one real or imagined project. Map test objectives, pick metrics, build staffing plan, and rehearse your reports. Keep a short one-page cheat sheet of the most important heuristics and remind yourself of them before attempting any testing management activity. In short, expect rigorous, practical knowledge that prepares you for the ISTQB exam and, most importantly, prepare you for the real-world test leadership. If you follow the course, do the exercises, and reflect on the examples, you will leave not only ready to take the exam, but ready to lead a test team with clarity and confidence. Welcome aboard. Let's get started.